Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to ICO Reviews, and today I present to you Buglab Ico. What is Buglab Ico? What are they planning to do in the blockchain space? Now, as you know, hackers are going from bad to worse. They are hacking from different networks, different websites, exposing confidential informations, hacking people's email addresses. Even politicians are not being left behind. Now, many firms or companies who has a lot of money will be able to employ gurus who will be able to help them to protect their network. But wait a little. What about small scale enterprises, companies who are just trying to start up, growing little by little? Will they have enough money to be able to do that? Oftentimes it's very difficult for them, and they are prone to attack from hackers from every corner of the earth. Buglab will be able to assist small scale enterprises to defend and protect their network. Now, I have seen a lot of ICOs websites in my course of reviewing ICOs and also investing in different ICOs. But I will tell you that this is one of the most beautiful websites I've ever seen in the ICO space. Now, but remember, I'm not your financial advisor. Do what you want to do. Make your own decision. Now, you're going to get 25% bonus if you get involved with this pre-sale. And the minimum contribution for the pre-sale, not the ICO itself, but the pre-sale before the main ICO, is 6.67 Ethereum. And the price is 15 cents. In 15 days. 15 days the pre-sale will be here. Let's go down. Now, let me talk about the allocation of the Buglab ICO with a little. Okay, here we are. I'm sorry, just one. Fine, we're here. It's 7% for the advisors, 40% for the general public. 40% goes for the ICOs. That is really lovely because the public have only access to 40% of the entire token. 10% for the team and early contributions. You can see how they plan to distribute, and I think this is a nice way of distributing their token. And I hope these will be able to protect whales, people dumping the coin. And this is the team: Reda Shakoi. I hope I pronounce your name very well. The founder, the CEO, the backend developer, the blockchain developer, and all the rest. You can find the whole community of the team member here. Now, let's go down. One of the things you want to see is the team behind an ICO. Who are these ones? Are they real? Now, I will tell you that the CEO is even having an interview, giving a speech on France, one of the most popular TV channel, France 3. And I have the video for you all of you to look at it and see that this is real. This is real. Now, this is the guy, the CEO.
Est causé par, en fait, on a repéré deux raisons principales. La première raison, c'est que ces TPE et PME ne sont pas sensibilisés quant au risque du fait de ne pas lancer des prestations ou d'effectuer.
Well, it's in French. If you understand French, you can watch these videos and see more about it. And you can imagine if an ICO is having an interview on the France national television that will be watched in different French-speaking countries and for people who understand French. This is lovely. And apart from that, there's another interview of the CEO here. And let me play it for you. Buglab's CEO with Cryptonomics.
We are here at the ICO race with Cryptonomist, and we have Mr. Circuit Reda of Buglab. Okay, and please, what is Buglab as an ICO?
Buglab is a crowdsourcing platform for
cybersecurity penetration testing.
So you can see the interview, and on the YouTube, there are lots of videos there. I encourage you to take your time to go through the videos. I mean, to know more about this, the ICO. But there's something I also found interesting is that the explanation videos is not just available in just one language. Most ICOs have it just in English, and that is all. But they have it in French. I think this should be Russian. I believe so. They have it in, I don't know, this should be Chinese. This should be another language. I don't know exactly. This should be Japanese. And in English, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different languages. So this ICO is going to cut across different countries and different backgrounds of people. These guys knows what they are doing, I must tell you. Now, let's check them out on Telegram. They have 22,047 members. On their Twitter, let's check. They have over 20,000 followers, and you can get different informations about this project here. Now, let me go back to the white paper. The white paper is 37-page white paper, and it's beautifully put together. And I was always doing ICO reviews. When I see an ICO, I care also about the theme and the white paper. The white paper tells you everything you need to know about an ICO. And one thing you need to look for in an ICO is this: check, is the white paper, is it copy and paste from one existing ICO before? You want to know, is this real? And I can tell you, I've verified myself, I've checked. This white paper is not copy and paste, it's from Buglab Ico themselves. Now let's go to Alesia ranking. Now this website, this is the Alesia ranking. The website of Buglab is well visited from people from Kuwait, the Arab country, and from India, and this African country, yes, African country, West African country of Nigeria, and East European country of Ukraine and Russia. People from these countries are checking the website more. They are more checking it. You can see. Now let's go to the who is. Buglab, it has been registered since 2016, 2 years ago, over 2 years ago. This is February 25, and it will expire next year. You can see that they've started work on this project for a long time. Now, what are my thoughts on Buglab Ico? I believe this is real ICO. This is not a scam. I can see the CEO everywhere. I can see they have a solution to a particular problem. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link of the website down the description of this video. Click on it and join the pre-sale if you want to join. Make your own decision. I'm not deciding for you. Make your decision. And if you can get involved with the pre-sale, fine. If you don't have enough to get involved in the pre-sales, and wait for the ICO, and in the ICO you'll be able to buy what you'll be able to afford for Buglab ICO. Don't forget to go through the white paper, read it, and watch all the videos and see more about Buglab ICO. Guys, I love you all. I love you so much, and thank you for watching my videos. But please, before you go, please just hit the subscribe button. Please hit subscribe there. Just click on it and subscribe for my channel and like my video. And I'll continue to bring more ICO reviews for you every time. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO.